Hello, annyeonghaseyo, annyeonghaseyo. Today we're going to do a little bit of unboxing of the new sewing machine that I have. This is a cover stitch machine. This is something that I want to have a very long time. This machine is like something that you cover on the top stitch of your fabric to make it look nice on the sleeve, on the pants. So let's open it. I'm just excited. We got a long knife now. It's been a while really. I haven't made a video. I'm talking to you guys. So sorry, I'm busy. I've been waiting for this quite a long time really. 400 years ago. Oh, they got an enforcement here. I'm gonna be very careful with this knife, it's very sharp. Check out the bubble wrap. Okay, we're all done with the bubbles. Anyway, this is a portable. I cannot afford the industrial cover stitch machine, but I can just afford this portable version first. Maybe someday if I have some money, I can buy the extra money to buy the industrial version of it. Anyway, you're asking me whether I'm wearing diapers. Yes, I do. It's my diaper. Now, I'm gonna open this. You got a tape on each side. Alright. Ding ding ding. It's very special. Oh, you already can see that. Multifunction overlock sewing machine. But it's not an overlock, it's a cover stitch. Just maybe branding. Now how I'm gonna take it off. I just want to cut it like a cake. Now you see what's in there. You got a few models. They got overlock, they got cover stitch. So this is it. They don't have they don't even pick that. Which one? They should have like a tick which models that I purchased, but they did not do that. I'm hoping it's not going to be wrong models, so I'm really unhappy with that. So you got some Chinese booklets, manuals. Not sure if you can read that. This is the pressure food. They use this to press the machine. It got like a very standard pressure food. This one goes to the machine, this one goes to the power. Oh, you got 3 scissors and some. This is like an adjustment food, something. A plate. Next, we got the machine. Oh, that's too heavy. I'm gonna need like 2 hands. I'm gonna try with 1 hand here. Wow. Sorry for this. It's about 10 kg, yeah? It's kind of small and it's kind of portable, but it's just heavy. It's about 10 kg of weight. I'm gonna try to open the plastic now. Oh, they got like suction down there. There you are. A cover stitch machine. You got the tension knob here. This is tension knobs for you to adjust the tension of the thread. And then you got at least 4 different threads here. The first one, the second, the third, the fourth. Alright, I'm ready. So without this, I cannot even complete an order. It's a good machine. After this, I'm going to try to switch it on. Hopefully you can see that, how it operates. Someday I want to buy the industrial version. It's much more faster than this, of course. But I'm very grateful to have these kind of machines. This is like a basic, a basic version before I'm gonna buy the industrial version. This is another tools. We got like a scissors, tweezers, what is this? A brush, a glue. It's not a glue, it's an oil actually, a machine oil. Mini spanners. Alright. So that's it. My machine. Let's complete an order. Alright, I love you. Thank you guys for your support. You know, your contribution I can afford to buy this. It's not really a price. It's about, how much it costs today? $300. Yeah, it's not expensive. $300. About that around. $200 to $300. It's very cheap. And finally I can afford it. So thank you guys. I love you. Stay cuties.